Hey, what's up? This is Fight Commander. I'm going to show you how to build a computer, since a lot of people have the internet and all that computer goodies, but they don't know how to build it. And also when it breaks down, they go buy a whole new one when they can just replace a small part that they can buy for $30 from eBay or whatever. This here is the basic case for a computer that I'm going to build. As you can see, here's the switch, the power on. This is where the drives will go. And got some USBs here. Power supply cable here. This one here already has the power supply built in. So now let's get to the parts you will need. So you have your case right here. You will need the power supply. Nice little power supply here, maybe 400 watts and up will be a good one for most computers, especially if you're playing video games or have a lot of programs. A DVD ROM to play movies and videos. A CD-ROM to install software, and on a DVD you could also install software. A disk drive, a hard disk drive, maybe 20 gigabytes and up will do. Even if you're playing video games, you don't need that many gigabytes unless you're going to download a lot of movies and videos. A graphics card. This one is by ATI, a very popular brand. So if you're gonna play video games, get one that has 256 MB and up. It'll play all video games from Battlefield and mini war games and action games. You will need some cables. These usually come when you buy your case, or whenever you buy a CD-ROM, it usually comes with one already. This will connect to your CD-ROM, your DVD-ROM, and your hard disk drive. You will need a CPU fan. This one fits for my Pentium 3.0. You know which one to get. The Storeworks will help you pick one up. You can even get a combo. It comes with a motherboard and a CPU. You will need a motherboard. This is where the CPU goes. And you will also need some memory. This here is the memory. It is sold separately. Nowadays you could get it real cheap. Before it used to be like $100 maybe each. Now it's like $20, $30. You might even get some for $5 on eBay. And you will also need the CPU. You see the little square? That's the CPU. It comes by itself. You will also need a CPU cooling gel. This white stuff right here, that's gel. It may or may not come. If you buy like a combo, it will come with it. But if you buy the CPU and the motherboard separate, it will not come with it. You might pay like $4 extra for a little bitty bottle about this big. It keeps your CPU cool. Don't install the CPU without the gel, or you can kiss it goodbye. Okay, so there you go. You have the basic parts of a computer. And if you're one of those who uses a lot of power, you may also get an extra USB cable. This will be used in case you want to connect many more stuff to your computer, maybe a computer light or more controllers, keyboards, whatever. This is part 1. I'll continue on part 2 on how to build your computer. It's real simple.